America is great, man. American citizens, you people shouldn't go to Ghana. Ghana sucks. They are having a president looking like a camot. And that fucking president, if I get a pew-pew, I'm gonna blow his fucking mind up. Okay, so congratulations to my $200,000 house I bought at East Legon.
Oh, Charlie, yeah, students in the band. Oh, Charlie. Hey, Charlie.
Everything. Okay, so yesterday my heart got bent.
Abusia samo kai Rants. TikTok na emebe atwam 2024 be kaya. Obaye video be di Akufo Addo atem se osekamot no. Enra ni fie a wabobra ato e wo East Legon no. Eja tom amana hyedo bera in this video no. Memra hwensem a obaye kantwam na bi atwam. Ene nra kwaya eja no fa so e baaye. Ene eja no be hye echi no. Ensem a ono so ababeka. Aha Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Over like this video, no other room. I was subscribe button, I click notification icon for latest updates. Now better the wide the mama ever comment section so password. No watch video more plus any be ashe. It took a TikTok app as well. This gentle guy, in fact, or a handsome guy, what I say, irrespective of the attitude or a handsome guy, such a cute guy. Everyone Rants, you know, just a media not all the two no say, or you're part of the Illuminati people. I say because of that, I'm gonna just scan near their day, you know, only in a successful life. Now over here. 2024 anymore and I call you to call USA. In 36 June 2024 and I'll be posting video as now all two or more USA, UK, any Canada, any other advanced countries numbers will go back to Ghana. No. All countries more Ghana. Now Ghana there. Omanya president Tibia Aquano Sabe or Tessa Camot, Nasa or no your 2 krana and go pony back to Akuno.
America is great, man. You niggas ain't shit. American citizens, you people shouldn't go to Ghana. Ghana sucks. Ghana sucks, man. They are having a president looking like a camot. And that fucking president, if I get a pew-pew, I'm gonna blow his fucking mind up. You bitches and shit. Every 1 minute I spend 1 million. I ain't got time for bullshit. You people, Ghanaian ladies too and shit, bro. Always nyash. Here, who cares about nyash? All I'm seeing is monkey bottles. That bottles to his sucks. You niggas are shit, bro.
What I said, just now he was referring to Akufo Addo as a camot. Oh, yes, it's a Ukuratua. Or be fire no, be Akufo Addo 2.32. Every we say. I think that I'll make this particular video at the comment section. Now, Ebimaniaje, just because they are NDC people and the guys actually trolling Akufo Addo as they wanted people to troll him. Na omu eniaje without thinking Akufo Addo when you see omu father when you abobra as a Ghana politics that we do over here and you're nice. It akwe make this particular video either 6 June 2024 and I say a took die if you want the normal videos ebe muko hu say no I say was switch kraba or your gospel or to nyom kakran na de ade one focus e ade we dey Illuminati na wa ye no and I said in 2025 you know exactly 21st April 2025 enu say Oba medias ebe pa ni fear nyame adomatima bobra enya I East Legon obe pa ho ntoma.
Okay, so congratulations to my $200,000 house I bought at East Legon. Yes, show them around, Batman. And show them the neighbors too. East Legon for you. Show them the neighbors. Come here, Batman. Follow me. Follow me, let me show them the neighbors. Chopper! Wagwan. Okay. Alright, so this is the $200,000 voltage machine
outside shit.
East Legon. East Legon here. Okay, so let's start from this. Let's start from this unit. This one is coming from Turkey and it's $35,000.
Nothing
yes.
From Ghana, nigga.
Yes, please. And I have this chandelier light too. This one costs $26,000. Quite very expensive for chandelier too. Yes. And I have this furniture too. This one too is coming from Turkey. This one is $46,000. As I keep on telling you. Yes, please. And this guy you people see here is called Flaky Deco. The whole place is inspired by him. Now the challenge is not about who get GL, who get Range Rover. It's about who get house. Not any house. House in East Legon. Small boys pop champagne for birthday, but we big men, we pop Azul things. Yes, to release stress. Okay, so it's a 4-bedroom house. Yes. So let's start from my bedroom. being a big boy.
Mashing things.
Oh, okay. Oops. So this one too, this painting too is coming from a guy called Hugo. He did the first one and second one, but this one is coming from Ghana. And I have this chandelier too coming from Turkey. I like Turkey stuff. Turkey stuff is for rich men. Okay, so let's start from the bedroom. You know, guys, we don't do much. We don't do much. So show them around. Guys, we don't do much. Yes, we don't do much. It's just a normal thing, you know. For guys, we don't do much. All right, follow me here. It's a 4-bedroom house. Mind you, it's 20%, 25% for me, my satisfaction. I'm not fully done yet, but you know, we can't keep this on our phone. We'll keep this alright. Let's start from here. Let's start from the studio. Come here. So this is my music studio here. This is where I record my crafts. This is where I record my songs. You understand? As a big man, I don't want to go to somebody's studio for them to tell me E sharp and J sharp crap. Come here. Okay. So this is a guest room. Come here. Come here. It's having 65 inches TV for guests. Here, I think the people slept here yesterday. Here is kind of messy. But I have a lot of things to change here. This curtains too is coming from Turkey. I have some small tiny fridge here. So come here. It's 4 bedrooms. Let me show you the other room. The other room here. Oh, hold on. Oops. The other room, I have my crafts there. Come here. Come to kitchen, man. Everything is crap. For you, oops. This is crap, but you know, it's just 25% as I was telling you people. So. Okay, so Flaky. Okay. So this is the guy, Flaky.
Very good.
Hey, go back and get the whole thing. Go back. Thank you. Now come forward.
Outside shit, nigga.
Cash.
Outside shit.
Okay, so Flaky, if somebody want to get, connection with you to work with you, how would they get you?
Oh, they can text me or DM me on my Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at FlakaFakeDecor.gh. That's my handle.
Okay, he's very, very good. All right, so go back for me. Go back. Go the way Jimmy. Okay, yes. So, congratulations to my $200,000 voted Mercedes East Legon. Beep, beep, beep. Hey, beep, beep, beep. Guys, who be your chairman?
You get chairman. You get chairman.
What I say? It's not about who get GM, it's about who get house. No be house, any house. East Legon.
Mashing things. Nothing from Ghana, nigga.
Okay. All right.
Nothing from Ghana.
Thank you.
Oklemu said Dan or told $200,000. I'm going to say, Massa, wait a minute. A down with $20,000 there, Killer. A down with $20,000 there. What's up? Because I said that more rent, say on kind of cry any other day. I said, medians now know about our trophy or car or flex it or town with Sukruma, or Papi Champagne or Ginny.
God is great, man.
Up and awake, my nigga.
We just woke up, man. We are living the lifestyle, man.
Stop playing.
We are coming to do money routine.
Tell them something.
Something has touched my skin.
I just touch my brain, my nigga.
Okay. Just give me Pepsodent, man. Something has touched my mind, man. Okay, alright. We are living the lifestyle. We are Sun City Hotel, man.
We living the life, my nigga.
Nigga too fly.
Niggas be hating, but we still living the lifestyle for them, my nigga. You too broke for me, my nigga.
Jason, why is this smelling nyash?
Maybe be the ventilation, my nigga.
Where you take out from?
The washroom. They start with Pepsodent, my nigga.
Alright.
It's expensive for this small crash, my nigga.
Jason, you know this no pork.
What is your home?
Why is this smelling like that?
My nigga, we are
Alright, Sun City, man.
Chilling in Sun City, my
Okay,
nigga.
alright, nigga too fly. Something has touched my skin.
It has touched my auntie.
Forget the boy, they want to poison us. $6. Just to show them cash, man.
Too much money on me, my nigga.
Just
Check
to show
my
them
Balenciaga, my nigga.
We live in the most
Expensive tattoo, my nigga. Calvin Klein, my nigga. What you gonna show me, my nigga?
They want to poison us. We
Niggas
are
be
rich,
hating, but
man.
we living the lifestyle,
We
my
are
nigga.
doing money roads,
We
man.
are rich, my
This
nigga.
let's go inside.
Niggas besties.
This is go inside. Motherfuckers.
Now, it was Enra Anaju 6 June 2025. Yanka be shame. Yekoda beso anadwo bre na na e pop up on the media no say ni fie na wabɔ bra asi ewo East Legon ɔde bɛgye anuonyam ewo app ne so no ebusua eja tom ama ahyedro bɛ.
Hey, Charlie. Oh, Charlie. Why stay with the Ben? Hey. The back there with the Ben. If the back there. Charlie. Oh, Charlie. Yeah, stood in the Ben. Oh, Charlie. Hey, Charlie.
Okay.
Why be what? This thing be what? This thing be what? The sofa will be like that. Charlie Bado. This be small bedroom set for. Why you dey try?
Hey, everything for the house inside Ben. Everything for my room inside Ben. Everything Ben in the house. So the whole house I bought at East Legon is bent. Yeah, the whole house is bent to ashes. Around I think 8th day I went to drop wifey at the airport. So when I was on my way coming, somebody called me and the response I felt, your house is burning. And when I came, the entire house is bent. Shoot them. Here's my master bedroom. The master bedroom, everything is bent here. Shoot them this fire. Everything is bent. Everything in the house. Let's go to the guest room. Everything in the house is bent. Everything in the house is bent. Everything. This is the master bedroom. This is guest room. This is where Jason used to stay. All the bed, the TV, everything is bent. Let's go to the studio. Everything is bent. Everything is bent to ashes. That's very, very sad. And this is my hall too. Everything, the entire house. Yeah, the entire house, everything is bent. You know, for me, I'm a strong person. Something that makes you strong person. We still grinding, you know. It's very painful, like putting shit together, buying a house. We just one funny thing. I was home the whole time in the morning. So what my activity for today was just to go to the airport. You know, just 15 minutes. You know, I don't know if it's intention. Somebody purposely did that, or I just don't know. For now, this is the case. Everything, my clothes, everything. If you can watch my PS5, everything in the house. See, yeah, everything. And one funny thing too is this is the clothes I wear to the airport. I don't have anything. What else is what I'm wearing? Come outside, please. Come and show this one. You can see this one is my sofa. The sofa in the house again. The sofa in the living room. Yeah. My PS5. That's my PS5 right there. The PS5 right there. The house, entire house. Entire house. Just yeah, you can see this one. I'll show them the house. Just show them everything is great. That's a sad story. How we will do it. That's a sad story. That's my kitchen here, more than Titanic. Take these people to not easy. Okay, so yesterday my house got burnt as earlier on I did a video. So I have to come here today to check up on the things. You can even see what is going on here. Come inside. Everything is good. Yeah, so come this way. This was my living room. And the living room, as you people can see, everything in the house. That's very, very sad. My TV unit, my PS5, everything got bent. So, come here to it. Everything. You suffer for everything and you lose it just one day. Yeah. So this was my master's bedroom, and if you can see, everything burned to ashes. Couldn't even take a dime. Couldn't even take a dime. You know, sometimes you question yourself that, God, why? Because, I used to help people. So why would you let such a thing happen to somebody like that? But such is life. You can get everything a day and lose it the same day. So come here, the guest room. Guest room to me. Yeah, so somebody will say, why is he so calm like that? If you are somebody that you have faced reality of life, certain things like this doesn't move you. Like, if you are somebody who has really experienced a lot in life, you know this is part of life. Yeah. It is what it is. So come here. My studio monitors. Everything. We still move. I don't know. Me myself, I'm surprised like how I'm handling things. Very cool like this. Yeah. But it's fine.
Ashe drobe interestingly. Video now ya odidi Akufo Addo mu. Oye video do 6 June 2024. Ni fie ehye a night before 7 June 2025. Abrabo yesi de nipa guo no eno na wutwa. Ba na eye so interesting say yegu abanne na daache yegutwa so aba na erefi aduaba kra yeduaye. If you disrespect someone today, an elder today, a worthy man today, you will surely pay for it in some years or days to come. But say a true hardness a punishment eba. That time na punishment aba the honey konya ke bia enwa bia mekodi aduane we ene bia de achema konya ya rewe e bia ke me ye sei ana we ato me but there say bia wutwa ase bi to omre bia twam afi na sano a wutwa ya no eso adodode eba ema otibi. Many nye SNFA actually, but this might be a lesson to the young ones who are coming up. Kakraba unsemu anya hantan was one pay in Casapenim anyhow. Quara say, Kakraba unsemu anya abotre to was in obey Sikani Bissino. The awafina would be obia so musino, of course, a bread of once, but young ones not yet, but Kakraba in same one. A hantan a homos was sa. That was over once a young master. Oma Honso or Bebranas. Yamin Shannon, now Oma we any lesson to him. Tell your mamma ever comment section. I hype in your blog media.